welcome to another interesting class on the Code Studio. In this new series of puzzles, you're going to continue developing your programming skills. Through the use of programming, you will get to understand how computers navigate instructions. You're about to get the chance to play with a new character called Laurel the Adventurer or the Collector. She's looking to collect as much treasures as she can with your help through programming. Some levels will require you to only pick up one piece of treasure using a new type of block called the collect block. But other levels will require you to pick up every piece of treasure, so pay attention to the instructions to know what to do. Now, let's head over to the Code Studio and get started. Welcome to our new adventure, and this is called Collecting Treasures with Laurel. The girl with the blue hair, that is Laurel. And what are we trying to do in this activity? Read the instructions like I always say. You are to move Laurel around to get as much treasures as you can using the collect block. Drag blocks into the workspace and try to figure out how to get treasures. So basically, these gems, these diamonds are fantastic treasures that Laurel the Adventurer wants to get. So how do we do it? We have to move Laurel to the box which each treasure lies and use the collect block to pick up the treasures. And of course, there's something called loops. That is, if you figure out that you are going to be dragging or using the same thing over and over again, you don't just have to write several blocks of code. You use the repeat block, which helps an instruction to loop. Now you're becoming a better programmer. So how will Laurel get to the treasure? Yes, Laurel has to move forward. Please take note. Just standing over the treasures won't pick up the treasure. You have to make use of the collect block. So let's drag the collect block to our workspace area. After you move forward and collect, you can turn or you can continue moving forward before you turn. So whatever path you decide to take, it's fine. Now remember, as a good programmer, you should know the meaning of a program. A program is an algorithm that has been coded into something that can be run by a machine. Okay, after turning left, we moved forward, and now we are going to collect, use our collect block. Laurel needs to also turn right again. Laurel needs to turn in the right direction. Now I'm on this part, so let's play run and see how our program goes. Okay, Laurel has collected 2 treasures. In this set of puzzle, Laurel needs to collect all of the treasures, so let's continue programming. Laurel needs to move forward. Now, Laurel needs to turn left. Laurel needs to move again, move forward. Laurel is here now. Laurel needs to make use of the collect block to pick up the treasure. Okay, Laurel needs to turn right. Laurel is here now. Laurel needs to move again, move forward, and turn left. Move forward again. And then finally, Laurel needs to collect the last treasure. Now let's hit the run button and watch our program run. Yay! Laurel has collected all of the treasures. Good job. Now let's move to the next activity. Now remember, for each puzzle you have to read the instructions because they might have a different instruction. Now this says move Laurie to the treasure, then use the collect block to pick it up. Now Laurie needs to move 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to the treasure. Now I could make use of my move forward block, and I'll have to do that 4 times. Move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, and then before Laurie can collect the treasure. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks of code. Now, do you know that we can replace this 4 blocks of code with just 2? Instead of using move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, we can make use of our repeat block and then put a move forward inside and then choose the number of times we want our instructions to loop. That is the use of the repeat block. It helps us to loop instructions. So instead of using the move forward repeatedly, I can just trash it and then make use of my repeat block with the number of times I want it to repeat and then attach my collect block. Now let's hit run and see how it goes. Yay! Using loop makes our work faster and easier. Okay, the next puzzle, sequence matters. These blocks you need are already in the workspace but not connected. Order these blocks to collect the treasure and solve the puzzles. Oh, I love these puzzles. It's tasking your brain. So you need to rearrange these blocks and put the instructions in the specific order so that the program can run well. Now, to rearrange this, you need to picture where Laurie is standing. For example, this is your left and this is your right. But where Laurie is standing, this is her right and this is her left. Laurie needs to move forward, forward, turn left and move forward before collecting. So now let's rearrange our blocks. Move forward again, and now turn left, then move forward, and lastly collect. So now let's hit the run and watch our program go. Yay! That was great. So this brings us to the end of this very interesting class. Now head over to the Code Studio and complete your puzzles. Remember, your progress is going to be assessed. So complete your work and see you in our next class. Bye!